Brandon ground, clear check 413, off on hotel, requesting taxi back to the jet center.
Clear check 413, Brandon ground, taxi straight ahead to Hartford Jet Center.
I'm sorry, what was that, sir? Clear check 413?
Clear check 413, Brandon ground, taxi straight ahead to Hartford Jet Center.
Taxiing straight ahead to the jet center, clear check 413.
Brandon ground, cirrus 907 Charlie is at Premier Aviation with information. Oscar, ready for taxi.
Pipeline 1 Echo Charlie, about 5 south.
November 771.
Cirrus 907 Charlie, Brandon ground, would you rather Delta or Charlie?
I do Delta right here. I'm located at Delta, 907 Charlie.
Cirrus 907 Charlie, Brandon ground, runway 2, taxi via Delta, Alpha, cross runway 29.
Taxi Delta Alpha cross runway 29er for runway 2, 907 Charlie.
Roger.
Today we're going to do a short flight over to 4 Bravo 8, 4 Bravo 9. Change your oil. We have information Oscar with taxi and Alpha. We are approaching runway 29er. We have clearance across runway 29er, so we're going to look down there. We're clear over here and we're clear over here. So we're crossing runway 29er. Simbury Airport is a very tricky airport to get in and out. Very, very short runway. So it's very, very challenging to get in and out of it. You have to be on your numbers for Simbury Airport. Okay. There we go, mixture rich. 1700. And we go back to boat. Back to boat. We light her up. Check. Check. Our lights green. Then we kill her. Avionics off. Leave strobe on. All the way back to idle. Don't shut off. Go back to 1000. Autopilot check. Gauge our autopilot. Maneuver. Current. Maneuver. Good. Autopilot disconnect. Set our runway of departure. Runway 2. We're going to go over to Simbury, so yep. We're good here, we're good there. Going to do a northwest departure. Move from on. Let's run our knots. We do 1700. Flaps is at 50. Is off. Did that. Take off. We did all that already. Avionics on. All lights on. Everything's okay. Peter, it was good. Landing lights off. Mark check 150. 75 between each. We did that. Power level back to 1000. Yep. Check. We're indicating 170. Good, good right there. Control free and clear. For the pilot disengage trim for takeoff. Today we're going to do a normal takeoff. We're heading over to tower. Bernard Tower, cirrus 907 Charlie, and Alpha holding short runway 2. We'd like to depart to the northwest. 907 Charlie.
Cirrus 907 Charlie, Bernard Tower, runway 2, line up and wait.
Line up and wait for runway 2, 907 Charlie. Line up and wait, runway 2, 907 Charlie. Boost pump on, mixture rich.
210-162, turn left at the Delta taxiway, then contact ground 121.6.
Brainerd Ground, Bonanza 5858 Juliet, VIP Aviation, taxi to the active, VFR.
Okay, we clear out there.
Number 907 Charlie, wind 0106, runway 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2, 907 Charlie, and we're going to Simbury.
November 907 Charlie, left turn is approved.
Left turn approved, 907 Charlie. Instrument is in the green. Airspeed is alive. 60. We're flying. And now we're doing 1,500 feet a minute.
Cirrus 907 Charlie, if you'd like advisories going to Simsbury, you can give Bradley Approach Control a call on 123.905.
123.905, 907 Charlie.
Advise on initial contact. You have information kilo. Bradley International Airport 8 is information kilo. Wind 4510 Zulu. Wind 020 at 7. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 25,000. Temperature 16. Dew point 9er. Altimeter 3039er. Runway 33 in use. Expect ILS approach. Notice still air missions. Runway 624 closed. Runway 6 ILS out of service. Read back hold short instructions and assigned altitudes. Advise on initial contact. You have information kilo. Bradley International Airport 8 hits information kilo. 145 Zulu. Wind 020 at 7. Visibility 10.
0.
Few clouds at 25,000.
0.
Temperature 16. Dew point 9er. Altimeter 3039er. Runway 33 in use. Expect ILS approach.
Runway 2 ready for takeoff.
Notice still air missions.
58 Juliet, Burnett Tower.
Runway
Thank you.
624
Runway
closed.
2, clear for takeoff.
Runway 6 ILS out of service.
Simbury traffic, cirrus 907 Charlie is 5 miles from the south. Inbound for landing. Runway 3, Simbury traffic.
Simbury traffic warrior, 60 November Alpha is making a right crosswind, departing the pattern to the northeast over to the practice area.
Boost pump on, mixture rich. Simbury traffic, cirrus 907 Charlie, short final, runway 3, Simbury traffic.
Pittsburgh traffic, Skyhawk 96792 is inbound for landing on 32, 10 miles to the west.
Traffic not available.
Simbury traffic, cirrus 907 Charlie, is back taxiing runway 3, Simbury traffic. So we're at Simbury traffic. You gotta be we're at Simbury Airport, you gotta be very skilled to get in this airport. For the cirrus. But this is my home airport and this is where I learned to train out of. But even so, I don't get too comfortable when I'm coming inside here because the runway is short. Simbury traffic, cirrus 907 Charlie is clear of the active Simbury traffic.